Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to learn new lesson. Okay, standard 4, lesson number 4. This is our English 2. Okay, let's see. Our new lesson is verbs, kinds and function. So in this chapter we will learn about verb, their kind and function. Okay, see this part. You have already learned. Now we have to just refresh. Number 1, a verb is an action word or a doing word. Verb, what is verb? So verb is an action word or a doing word which describe a person what did. Number 2, it tells us what a person does or what happens to him. Two things it tells. The first one, that what a person does or what happens to him. Third, we can't make a sentence without a verb. So mind it clearly that we can't make a sentence without a verb. Okay, now let's start the story and understood the word. Okay, in captivity. Mohit was in the habit of going for a morning walk since he was 3 years of age. After he was admitted to the school, he still continued with his good habit. Okay, here Mohit is having a good habit of morning walk. See, since he was 3 years of age, it's too good, na? And he still continued with his good habit while he is going to school. On his way, he used to see a beautiful white palatial house with a cage hanging in the balcony of its third floor. See this cage. The cage held a parrot as a prisoner, and the cage held a parrot as a prisoner means a parrot is there inside the cage. He could not see the parrot clearly from the distance, but his heart always knew that it wore a sad look. He can't able to see this parrot clearly, but he knew that it wore a sad look because no one should be in prisoner. He knew it wanted to fly as a free bird, and now he want to that parrot should be free, that he can fly anyway. Mohit always prayed that one day he could buy the house so that he could set the parrot free. Now he supposed that he will buy this house and set this parrot free. Many years slipped by. Mohit had now reached the age of 23. Now Mohit is 23 years old. In a few years, he had achieved a lot of success and amassed huge wealth as a singer. Oh wow, too good. In few years, Mohit reached too much success, lots of success, and amassed. As a singer, he became a singer, but his childhood dream was still fresh in his mind. See, but still he is remembered that what he said that he will buy this house and set free this parrot. Okay, he wanted a new house, so he thought of first trying his luck with the owner of the white house. Now he want to buy a house. Now he decided to first tell this house owner. Before he entered the house, he looked up and saw the cage with a parrot in it. He was surprised to see how long the parrot had survived. Still, the parrot in that cage means these many years the parrot has to be in this cage. Many thoughts crossed his mind. Maybe the previous one had died and it was a new one. Okay, now many thoughts came across his mind that maybe the previous one had died, and this one is new. Maybe many had died and the owner kept buying a new one after the death of his previous pet. Maybe how many parrots have been died and the owners every time buying new one. He entered the house and fortunately the deal was struck. He requested the owner that he wanted to buy the cage too and was ready to pay extra for it. Now he talked to the owner and about that house. He also said that he wants this cage and he will pay extra for it. The owner, Mr. Malik, laughed and told him that the cage was part of the house and it was permanently fixed to the roof of the balcony. And what he said that the cage and the parrot is the part of this house and it will be fixed there. He felt a strong hatred in his heart for Mr. Mulik. Now he felt very disturbed. Now he hate Mr. Mulik. How could he keep the birds in a fixed cage where the poor prisoners might have suffered rain and heat alike? He expressed his desire to go to the third floor where the cage was hung. Okay, he felt very bad for the parrot because this cage is fixed here, and if someone is fixed somewhere, it has to suffer a lot. Okay, now he asked to meet them. Okay, let's see. Permission was granted and he ran all the way upstairs with his heart thumping, ready to fulfill something he had longed to do. Yes, to free the prisoner. He reached the cage and opened its door quickly, but to his surprise, the bird didn't budge an inch. He realized his mistake and unbelievingly stared at the beautifully carved